Onomatopoeia. Word onomatopoeia is derived from Greek words onoma and poios, where onoma means name, and poios means making. So onomatopoeia equals making of a name. Onomatopoeia refers to words that sound like the noise they describe. For example, Buzz imitates the sound a bee makes. Definitions of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia can be simply defined as a literary device for atmosphere. Sound-imitating words. Language that echoes sound. Words as sound symbols. Imitation of natural or artificial noises. Sensory shortcut in writing. Note, now we are going to explain each definition further with examples. Onomatopoeia, sound-imitating words. Onomatopoeia refers to words that sound like the actual noises or sounds they describe. Onomatopoeia refers to the words that copy or imitate the sounds of different things we hear everyday life. These words are used to make language more lively, engaging, and realistic. Examples: buzz, humming sound of a bee. Splash, sound of water when something is thrown into it like a pebble or a rock. Pop, sound of a balloon bursting or opening a beer. Onomatopoeia, language that echoes sound. Onomatopoeia, this means the pronunciation of the word actually matches or imitates the sound itself, or when you say the word, it feels like you are making the sound. Examples: sizzle, the sound of food frying on a hot pan. Murmur, the continuous sound of people talking quietly. Tick-tock, the sound of a clock moving. Bang, sound of something hitting harder like slamming a door. Onomatopoeia, imitation of natural or artificial noises. Onomatopoeia refers to the word that can imitate both natural sounds, from animals or nature, and artificial sounds, from machines or man-made objects. Examples: beep, sound of an electronic device. V-room, sound of a gas-moving car or starting engine. Hiss, sound of a snake. Quack, sound of a duck. Moo, sound of a cow. Onomatopoeia, sensory shortcut in writing. Onomatopoeia is a shortcut that allows writers to instantly activate the sense of hearing in readers, instead of lengthy explanation. It creates vividness with economy. Just one sound word is enough to paint an auditory picture in the reader's mind. Examples: slurp, drinking or eating something noisily. Bang, sound of something hitting harder like slamming a door. Click, the sound of a camera shutter. Why do we use onomatopoeia? 1. To create vivid imagery. Onomatopoeia paints a sound picture in the reader's mind. When you read, "The leaves rustled in the wind," you don't just imagine leaves, you can actually hear them moving. This makes the scene more sensory and alive. 2. To evoke emotion. Certain sounds naturally trigger emotions. A sudden crash might make you feel startled, while a gentle hum might calm you down. Writers use this to control how the reader feels. 3. To set the atmosphere. Onomatopoeia can build the mood of a setting. The drip 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 of rain might feel calm in a romance, but creepy in a horror story. Context makes the same sound word create different feelings. Examples: tick-tock of a clock, suspense in a thriller. 4. To simplify description. Instead of long explanations, one sound word captures everything. Instead of saying, "The dog produced a series of loud barking noises," a simple woof does the job in just one word. This makes writing short, sharp, and 5. To add playfulness and humor. Onomatopoeia isn't always serious. It can make writing fun, especially in comics, children's books, or light-hearted stories. Words like boing or zap add a cartoon-like energy. 6. To make dialogue and narration more realistic. People often imitate sounds when they talk. Writers use onomatopoeia to bring dialogue closer to real life. Examples. And then, boom, the balloon exploded. Don't you hear the tick-tock of that clock?